Dear students, I am Mohammad Tajul Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, Dhaka Dakhin Multilateral High School and College. Today, I am going to present a video class on English first paper for the students of class 9 and 10. So, students of class 9 and 10 are welcome to attend the class. I am going to present the class from Unit 10, Lesson 4, topic They Had Dreams Too. So without making any delay, let's start the lesson. First of all, we have to go through the text. And now I am going through the text and you must listen to me very carefully. They had dreams too. Jahir Raihan was one of the most talented filmmakers in Bangladesh. He was born on 19 August 1935 in the village Mojipur in Feni district. He was an active worker of the language movement. He was one of the 10 students to go out in a procession on 21 February 1952, despite a ban on such activities. As a result, he and many others were arrested and taken to prison. He also present at the historical meeting of Amtala on February 21, 1952. He also took part in the mass movement in 1969. In 1971, he joined the Liberation War. All through his life, Jahid dreamed for a democratic society, a society that would ensure freedom of speech and will. He had many dreams about our film industries too. He made a legendary film, Jibon Theke Neya, based on the language movement of 1952. It was a revolt against the then autocratic government. The family presented in that film was a miniature East Pakistan ruled by an autocrat who had to go to the prison for her conspiracy. During the Liberation War, this film was shown outside Bangladesh. Critics like Satyajit Ray, Mrinal Sen and Ritik Ghatak appreciated this film. Jahir gave all his money to the freedom fighters' trust that he got from this film. So, besides his great documentary on Pakistani autocrats, Stop Genocide helped create world sentiment in favor of our liberation war. On 30 December 1971, someone informed Jahir about an address somewhere at Mirpur where he might find his brother, the famous writer Shahidullah Kaisar. Shahidullah was captured and killed by the Pakistani army and the local collaborators during the last days of the war. Accordingly, Jahir left home to get back his brother and he never returned. Jahir's dream was fulfilled. He could see the inception of a free, independent Bangladesh, though he did not get back his brother, and it's a pity that this dreamer was missing at such a time when his dream came true. Dear students, now we will go through the important meaning of the words, and I am going to describe the important meanings. Talented, meritorious, brilliant or skillful. Movement, agitation, protest. Prison, jail or lockup. Ban, prohibit, postpone or forbid. Democratic, Republican, folksy, people's opinion. Legendary, famous, celebrated, mythological. Autocratic, oppressive, imperious. Conspiracy, plot, intrigue, complot, documentary, factual, authentic, crucial, sentiment, feeling, emotion, sense, emergence, birth, life, parentage. Now we will discuss the text in detail. The passage highlights the life sketch of Zahir Raihan and his contribution to the language movement and liberation war. He was born on 19 August 1935 in the village Mojapur under Feni district. He took part in the language movement actively. He went out in a procession on 21 February in 1952 with some other students to establish Bangla as the state language, disobeying the ban imposed by the authority. Then he and some other students were arrested. He participated in the mass movement in 1969. He also joined the Liberation War in 1971. He always dreamed for a democratic society that would ensure freedom of speech. In this society, there would be no oppression. He was a great filmmaker. He made a famous film named Jibon Theke Naya on the language movement of 1952. He also made a great documentary, Stop Genocide, to create world sentiment in favor of liberation war of Bangladesh. His brother Shahidullah Kaisar had gone missing on 14 December 1971. On 30 December 1971, he was told by someone that he might get back his brother from a place of Mirpur. He went out to get back his brother and he never came back. We achieved independence for the sacrifice of many people like Zahir Raihan. So we should remember that. We should remember them with great respect. We have to build up this country as soon as Bangla. Then their dreams will be implemented. So we have to work hard to build up our country. Now we are going to some important multiple choices from the passage or from the text. Let's start. Number A. Stop Genocide was A. Option 1. Novel. B. Film. C. Documentary. D. Drama. Correct answer. Documentary. In the passage, the word inception means option 1. End. 2. Finish. 3. Beginning. 4. Conclusion. Correct answer. Beginning. Zahir Raihan was a dreamer of a society of bureaucracy, democracy, autocracy, diplomacy. Correct answer. Democracy. The word conspiracy means consistency, supremacy, plot, settlement. Correct answer. Plot. Last of all, Zahir Raihan was option 1. Arrested. 2. Dictator. 3. Killed. 4. Presumed. Correct answer. Killed. Zahir Raihan did not take part in option 1. Liberation War. Language and 2. Language movement. 3. Mass movement. 4. World War. Correct answer. World War. Now we are going to discuss some important questions from the passage. Number A. Why did Johid leave home? Answer may be like this. Johid left home to get back his missing brother Shahidullah Kaisar. Johid left home to get back his missing brother Shahidullah Kaisar. Number B. What was the dream of Johid Raihan? The dream of Johid Raihan was to establish a society that would ensure freedom of speech and democracy. Number C. Do you think that Johid Raihan was a freedom fighter? Why or why not? I think that Johid Raihan was a freedom fighter because he took part in the liberation war directly. He also contributed a lot by writing the film Jibon Theke Newa and writing Jibon Theke Newa for in favor of the liberation war. He also wrote a documentary in favor of our liberation war. So I think that he was a real freedom fighter. Number D. Where did Johid Raihan contribute all his earnings? Johid Raihan contributed all his earnings for the welfare of the Freedom Fighter Trust. Johid Raihan contributed all his earnings for the welfare of the Freedom Fighter Trust. Number E. When and why did the linguist movement take place? The linguist movement took place in 1952 and it took place to establish Bangla as one of the state languages of Pakistan. So dear students, we have completed the discussions, and if you follow the class, you may be benefited a lot. We will see again in our next video class. Since then, Allah.